Hi, this is Tim. I'm going to try and explain how the accumulate quantity is supposed to be working. So we have a very basic assembly, and we have assembly 2 being our top level. In my assembly 2, I have a part file, and that resides obviously on the assembly level. We also have 2 sub-assemblies, and these are exactly the same. So if I expand one of these, I can see that on this level, I need to have 2 part files. The part file is the same throughout. And furthermore, if I drill a bit deeper, I can see that I have another assembly containing 2 more parts. So if I want to export this one, for a regular BOM, we can see that we need the top level, which contain 1 in quantity. Then we need assembly 1 twice. And for making that, we need to have 2 part files. Inside of this one, we also have assembly 11 once, and that contains 2 part files. So this is a regular BOM. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay? If I go to the accumulate BOM, we should now be able to see that we have still 1 top level, but in this top level we have 2 assemblies, as before. To create these 2 parents, we need these 4 children. Also in this assembly is another assembly, and to create 2 instances of this assembly, we need to have 2 sub-assemblies. To create these 2 sub-assemblies, we then need 4 part files. If I just close and expand the tree, it makes more sense. So let's run the export again. And then we can do a compare. So obviously I have my top level, which is quantity of 1. In my top level, there is 1 part file. If I collapse everything, I can see 1 part file. This is this one. I also have assembly 1, and I have assembly 1 here and here. So that is twice. Now the accumulate starts working for us. At this level, I have a part 1. So at this level, I have part 1, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, because it's the same assembly down here. So at this level, at this parent, I need to have 4 parts. But I also need to have an assembly 11, which is a child of the assembly 1. And to create these 2, I obviously need to have 2 assemblies. And in this one, I also have part file 1, 2, and then 3, 4. If I were to open up this one, and just add a few more, then go back to my assembly, I now have, at this level, 2 part files. At this level, 4 part files. But I have this one twice, so I will have 4 part files and 8 part files. Let's run that through the export. We can see we still need 1 top level. At the top level, I have 2 assembly 1. To make 2 assembly 1, we need to have 4 part files. But we also need to have 2 assembly 11. And to make assembly 11, I need to have 8 part files. But this is how accumulate quantity works. We accumulate whatever we need for the parent. I hope this explanation makes sense. Thank you for watching.